How to get free stuff on Temu. Getting free stuff on Temu is possible through various methods like referral programs, in-app games, professionals, and giveaways, new user offers, free item searches, and social sharing. But each method requires participation or interaction with the app. But if you want to apply a trick, then there is one small trick that you can apply to get free stuff. You have to simply copy the link which is on the description and paste it on your browser. Then you have to scan this QR code from your Temu app in your mobile application. From this, you can easily get any item at $0.00. That is completely free. On each hit, you will get another stuff. In this very easy step, you can easily get free stuff on Temu. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.